discussing whether seatbelts help or hurt in car accidents. The source material is an article entitled "Seatbelt Used to Save Face: Impact on Driver's Body Region and Nature of Injury in Motor Vehicle Crashes." The purpose of the study was to find the consequences of wearing a seatbelt. And here's what they found. Seatbelt use significantly reduces traumatic brain injury, head and face injury, and broken bones. Interestingly though, they found that wearing a seatbelt led to more spine and soft tissue injuries. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.